Hello everyone, today we are introducing our iSPM101 series with Lightning connector for GroupTalk, and it's powered from the cell phone. So now we plug it into our iPhone and we go to setting of GroupTalk. We find the Bluetooth 4.0 buttons and PTT, and we need to check as it's for use as PTT button. And now we're back to the GroupTalk. Now we can begin to test. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We test again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can hear the sound from the other cell phone. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your watching.